Hello everyone, my name is Evelyn Cardona. I belong to course 1604. I'm 19 years old. I currently study psychology at the UNAT. My travel experience was in the Macarena Meet. I went to this place to visit my mother and brothers. I had not seen them for a long time. So I considered it appropriate to go to beautiful place. I had never been to Macarena Meta. I stayed there for 3 days because I had to return to my municipality to continue my study. I always sat and watched the landscape and often watched the beautiful corcoras. Going to that place made me very happy because the landscape is beautiful and you can see the beautiful sunsets. The weather is splendid. It didn't rain. There was a warm weather and the sky remaining clear. A perfect sky to see the sunset and at night the beautiful sky with many stars. Thank you so much. This was my experience place.